Today I'm going to show you the 4 bags I use that help me stay organized when I'm traveling, and they are accessory bags that I use. And the first bag I'm going to show you is my jewelry bag. I used to not use a jewelry bag. I, basically used things like little plastic bags to put my rings, necklaces, not all together in one, but like I would use several of these bags and then put them all together in one bag. This approach worked, but it didn't really work that well for necklaces, because necklaces do still get tangled up when I put them in these bags. So that kind of sucked, especially like when you're getting ready, to go somewhere, and the last thing you want to do is spend time trying to detangle a necklace. Before I got the jewelry bag, I did use for my necklaces the straw approach, where you put your necklace through the straw, and then on the other end, it comes out the other end, and then you tie it or you clasp it together. This is a great way of keeping your necklaces organized, and also for them to not get tangled up. But I also ran into problems with this, because a lot of times the necklace that I had was either too short and the straw was too long, or the necklace was too thick and it didn't fit through the straw's hole. So it didn't always work. I mean, it worked for the most part, but sometimes the necklaces I wanted to take didn't work with the straw approach. Also, another way to keep my earrings organized before was I would use like these little leather strips. It's just like a little piece of leather, and you poke a little hole in it, and then I would use this to hold my earrings. I actually still use this sometimes if I don't need to take a lot of jewelry with me. I just want to take another set of earrings. I just use this. So anyway, so that is how I used to carry my jewelry, but now I use this jewelry bag. And what I like about this jewelry bag, it's a little bit different from other ones you see out there that are a little bit more, that they actually look like a bag. This actually looks like a notebook, which is a little bit different, and I like how slim it is. One of the reasons why I like that it's slim is that I don't ever pack my jewelry in my carry-on bag. I always, check-in bag. I always carry on my jewelry, and this fits really nicely in my book bag because it looks just like a notebook. It doesn't take up a whole lot of room because it's nice and slim. So this is what it looks like in the inside. So here is where I can put my rings, and then here is where I put my earrings. And then this is a nice little feature here. It's a pouch with a zipper. So in here, what I do is I put my, I put like watches, or sometimes I put other things in there. For the most part, I put like a watch in there. And then here's like a little cover here. And this is where I put the necklaces. And it really helps keep it organized and detangled. So I really am glad I got this jewelry bag, because now I don't really have to fuss, or I don't have to mess around with keeping my jewelry organized. This helps, and I don't have to use the other approaches that I used to with the straw or the little leather piece or these little bags, which these did help and they do work, but it's a little bit more time consuming. So I am glad that I upgraded to a jewelry bag. The next thing that I used to never use, is a bag for all of my cables and my external hard drive, my travel hard drive. And this, I believe I got this on Amazon. Again, this is nice and slim, which I like, and this is what it looks like. So I keep in here like my hard drive wires, and then here I keep my headphones, my camera charger, and then this is my my travel SD, my travel my travel hard drive that I take with me to store all my pictures that I take while I'm traveling. I love how this really keeps all my cables, cable accessories organized, my chargers and headphones. It's a great bag, and also it has a little bit of padding, so it helps protect your cables and stuff. And you don't have a big mess in your suitcase because everything is so nicely packed in here. The next bag, travel accessory bag that I always take with me is my toiletry bag. I carry 2 toiletry bags. I know it sounds kind of weird, but I like to take this one with me on my carry-on, and it is TSA approved, and this is actually a pretty big bag. I was a little bit worried at first that I wouldn't be able to go through security with this, but I've gone on multiple trips already and I've never had an issue, so it is TSA approved. I haven't had a problem with it. It's definitely a lot bigger than those little bags that they give you, or the quart size bag they give you at the airport if you don't have one. But I like to keep my toiletry bags, 2 of them, because I like to keep one with all my liquids, and then I also like to keep one with just like my makeup and hairbrush and stuff like that. So that's why I carry 2 toiletry bags. But this one I really use the most often, just because it's when I only want to take stuff with me on a carry-on and I don't check in anything, I just take this, and I've actually put my makeup and stuff in here as well. But that's only for short trips that I can fit everything into this bag. But for my longer trips, so I take this, and then I also take this toiletry bag here, and it has like a little handle. So in this toiletry bag is where I keep my makeup, a brush, and a little compact mirror. And what I like about this bag is that every compartment has a zipper, so there isn't an issue of things falling out. That's like one of my pet peeves, is like having one of these hanging toiletry bags and everything is exposed with no zippers and things just tend to fall. I used to have a toiletry bag where it was like that, and I was so afraid to hang it up because if I was, you know, sharing a room with someone in a hotel, if anyone happened to bump into my stuff, everything would fall and probably break, in which that did happen a couple times by accident. Actually, it was me. I bumped into the toiletry bag and my foundation fell out and it cracked the foundation. If you're a girl, you know that, you know, it sucks when your foundation cracks or even your blush. It's just a mess. So it's nice that this bag has a bunch of, not only has a bunch of compartments, but they all have zippers to help, you know, everything stay secure. And it's a really nice size bag too. I mean, this is a big brush. I'm gonna put a brush in here. I also put like my toothbrush. What else do I usually put in here? Oh yeah, like all my makeup brushes. And up here, I like how they have like little slots up here to help, you know, to help you stay organized there. Anyways, a lot of great features this bag has, and nice size. And I like that it's also, the zipper is waterproof, so it's very durable, and if you travel a lot, you'll quickly realize if you get like a cheap toiletry bag, they don't last very long. So these are the 4 accessory bags that I use that help me stay organized when I'm packing. It's great to have these bags because I don't run into that problem anymore of like spending 10 minutes detangling a necklace or going through my bag trying to find my toothbrush or toothpaste. I know exactly where everything is because I have them separated into 4 different accessory bags. I think the one thing that I got that I didn't think I was really going to use that often is the cable bag. The cable bag. I put more than just cables in here. I put, you know, a USB drive, actually my iPhone charger. Yeah, I mean, any like electronic type stuff I put in here, and it's been really nice having this because now I never, you know, go rummaging through my suitcase trying to find that one cable that I forgot where I put. Because usually like I used to just throw it in my bag, or I'd put it in one of the zippers in my suitcase and I forget which zipper, which compartment I put it in. Anyways, it just becomes frustrating when I can't find things, especially when I'm in a hurry and I'm trying to get out the door. Anyway, so I think this was the one that I purchased that I didn't think I would use, that I got the most use out of. If you want to know where you can shop these products, I'll put the links below in the description. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to our channel. We post videos weekly. So yeah, if you like this video, stay tuned for our video next week. Bye!